Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Legion 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. Now, if your touchpad isn't responding at all, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to hardware malfunctions or disconnections, and if left unresolved, it can hinder your productivity and lead to further complications. It's essential to address this promptly to avoid frustration while using your laptop. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static damage to your components. To begin, ensure your Lenovo Legion 5 is powered off and unplugged. Place the laptop on a flat surface and carefully flip it over. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Keep them in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, use the plastic opening tool to gently pry open the back panel, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious as there are clips holding the panel in place. Now that the back is off, locate the touchpad connector, which is usually near the bottom of the motherboard. Carefully disconnect it by gently pulling on the connector, avoiding any tugging on the cables. Inspect the connector and the cable for any visible damage. If the cable appears to be faulty, it's time for a replacement. To do this, remove any screws holding the touchpad in place, typically found at the corners. Lift the touchpad out carefully, ensuring no other components are disturbed. Replace it with the new touchpad, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the touchpad cable to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, to reassemble your laptop, carefully place the back panel on and press down until you hear the clips snap back into place. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can damage the casing. Finally, flip your laptop back over and power it on. Check to see if the touchpad is functioning correctly. If it is, congratulations! You've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, regularly clean your touchpad and keyboard to avoid debris buildup. Additionally, be cautious when using external devices that may interfere with touchpad functionality. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.